Good morning, everyone. My name is Raya Kalista Sasitirana, with my student number is 5. So, today I would like to review an article according to IMRAT standard with the title is The Implementation of Trihita Karana in the Management of the Jatiluwe Tourism Attraction Tabanan. Okay, next. First is about introduction. The background of this resource stems from the challenges of globalization, which was a threat to the preservation of local values, including Trihita Karana. This philosophy, which emphasizes the balance between humanity, God, and the environment, is increasingly challenged by modernization and social change. This study aims to explore its implementation and relevance in the contemporary context. And then, the objective of this research is to analyze the implementation of Trihita Karana across various aspects of life amid the challenges of globalization. Furthermore, the study aims to identify the supporting and inhibiting factors in its application, as well as provide strategic recommendations to ensure that the values of Trihita Karana remain relevant and sustainable in the modern era. Next is tinjauan pustaka. First from Sucipto, and then Sukareda et al., and the last from Artika. Next is about method. First, data collection technique, participatory, observation, in-depth interview, and literature review. And the second is about analysis technique. The collected data were analyzed using thematic analysis, identifying patterns and key themes emerging from interviews, observation, and documentation. And third is research design. This study employs a qualitative approach with a descriptive method to provide an in-depth deposition of the implementation of the Trihita Karana concept in the management of the Jatiluwe tourism attraction. And the last is population and sample. The subject of this research consists of various stakeholders directly involved in the management and social life of the Jatiluwe tourism area. And then result. The result of the paper shows that the implementation of the Trihita Karana philosophy in the management of the Jatiluwe tourism attraction is generally effective. The three core elements, first, Parihyangan, Pawongan, and Palemahan. The study found that while the Trihita Karana principles are applied, some areas like religious education and environmental sustainable require further strengthening. The paper emphasized the need for continuous community engagement and regulation to maintain harmony between tourism, culture, and nature. And then discussion. First, interpretation of findings. The implementation of Trihita Karana is generally well practiced, however, certain aspects remain suboptimal. Second, comparison with previous studies. The findings are consistent with the previous research of Trihita Karana in the context of sustainable tourism. Third, implication of the findings. There is a need for synergy between modern technology and traditional principles. And fourth, research limitation. The study lacks quantitative analysis of the environmental impacts of modernization. And the last, recommendation for future research. Future studies should employ quantitative methods to assess the impact of modern agriculture. And then is conclusion. This study affirmed that the Trihita Karana concept plays a vital role in the management of the Jatiluwe tourism attraction. The implementation of the three aspects, Parihyangan, Pawongan, and Palemahan, has been carried out effectively, although certain areas still require improvement. The application of this philosophy contributes to maintaining a balance between cultural, environmental, and social dimension in the tourism management. And the last is education. First, tourism managers need to design specific programs to ensure the sustainable of Jatiluwih as a World Cultural Heritage Site. Second, the government and relevant stakeholders should promptly develop a detailed spatial plan (DATR) for the area. And the last, it is also necessary to conduct Dharma Wacana, religious discourse on Hinduism and Trihita to foster a shared understanding among all parties involved. That's my explanation. Thank you for your attention and good morning.